Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the exam CLAT, which will be held on 8th May 2022. What is this exam CLAT? CLAT stands for Common Law Admission Test. So those who aspire to build their careers in the field of law should definitely give this exam. And after giving this exam, you can get admission into the top law universities of this country. So, what are the requirements for giving class? The most important thing which I like about this exam is that it doesn't matter from which stream you are, whether you are from science, commerce, arts, it doesn't matter. You can sit in this exam because this exam is aptitude based. And you can give this exam just after your 12th. So as soon as you have given your 12th, you have given your board exams, you can sit in this exam, and as soon as you clear this exam, you get admission into the law universities where there is a 5-year program, the graduation plus LLB. So what are the subjects which you need to prepare to clear this exam? So there are 5 subjects. One is English, GK, logical reasoning, legal reasoning, and maths. When we talk about English, GK, and legal reasoning, they are mostly paragraph based questions. So there will be a 450 words paragraph will be given, and on the basis of that paragraph, questions will be asked to you. And then there is logical reasoning and maths. In maths, if anyone who is afraid of maths, then I should make it clear that maths in this particular exam comes only what you have learned till 10th. So whatever maths all of us have learned till 10th, only that maths comes in this exam. Then there is English. In English, mostly there are unseen passages that comes, and your vocabulary should be good. Then there is GK, anyone who is reading regular newspapers, who is in touch with what all is happening around you, then you can easily crack this exam. One thing that one needs to prepare a little bit is the legal reasoning. Because in legal reasoning, you might think that, okay, they will start asking laws from us. No, because law, definitely you will understand them once you enter the law university. But here, for preparation level, what you need to do, you need to build your mind, you need to build your aptitude, that once you read that passage which is given, and on the basis of passage, you will be asked the questions that, okay, a situation will be given, a crime has happened in that particular situation, then what you would have done. So on the such passages will come, and on the basis of that, you will have to answer the question. So this is about all the subjects which will be coming in this particular exam. Right now, there are 22 NLUs in our country, and to get into those NLUs, you have to clear this exam. There are many private universities also which take admission on the basis of the score which you obtain in this particular exam. So the most important thing you need to do is to practice. More and more practice is required to clear this exam. And recently, the NLU consortium has changed the paper pattern. Like earlier, there were not so many paragraph-based questions, but last year, they have changed the paper pattern, and that's why there are not lot of books which we have right now to do practice, because the paper pattern has changed. So recently I have come across a really good book by Oswald publication, which provides us with 15 sample question papers along with the last 2-year papers. So this book has everything A to Z about CLAT, like where you have to apply, where to apply, how to fill the application form, what is the website, the exam is in offline mode, how many NLUs are there, what are their cutoffs for the last 4-5 years. So everything is provided in this book. Anyone who don't have much clue about the exam CLAT, then they can easily get all the information about this exam in this particular book. Plus, those who are looking for more and more practice, then also you can buy this book, as this book has 15 sample question papers. So you can prepare it, you can sit to give these papers like you are sitting in an exam hall, and then after doing these sample papers you can count your marks and see that whether you are able to make it up to the closing rank or not. And one more important thing which I like about this particular book is their answer, as their answer keys mentions about the difficulty level of each question, like the question, whether that question was difficult, average, easy. So you can easily get through that what you are doing wrong, whether the questions you did wrong were easy, average, or difficult. So this book is all in one package, which I think all of you should go through so that you can practice a lot, as right now there are not a lot of books which are based on the new pattern. So I hope this video will be helpful to all those who are aspiring to give this exam, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.